sorry, this is going to get messy, all right? Mmm. You need to get yourself down there right now. Well, not right now. You know what I mean. These are worth it. Isn't it weird how I can do that with, like, these, like, spare ribs, but I can't do that with chicken? No, absolutely not, mate. Oh, right. How I am not sponsored by these bloody food chains, I don't know. Or even paid by them. Because I'm telling you, I'm bringing money into you. All right? People are buying it. I should get some kind of cut. At least commission, right? There is no nice way to eat this, so don't come at me in the comments, all right? It says it serves two, but again, guidelines, okay? Not actual things. Don't want to swallow that. I'm sorry, I can't do much talking. Have you eaten? If so, what do you have? And if you didn't, grab something. Let's eat together. Something's better than nothing. Look at this baby one. Oh, that. Ah. Actual joke. You're an actual joke. Right, what we're going to have to do is... Okay. Oh my god. It's gone. I haven't got time. I've got way too sticky hands to do anything about this. I can't even switch it off. Bastard. It is what it is, guys. Sorry. That was bloody gorgeous. This, self-reliant. I mean, to be fair, it's probably, I don't charge it, so my fault. My bad. Get yourself some.